So the sewage is treated in sewage treatment plant STPs to make it less polluting. So this is the use of the STPs, and it is done by the heterotrophic microbes. And so in the primary treatment, two steps, that is through filtration and sedimentation. Through filtration, floating debris is removed by sequential filtration, and then the grit, that is soil and small pebbles through the sedimentation. And other than that, all solids that settle form the primary sludge, and the superrun forms the effluent, and this effluent passes from primary settling tank to the secondary treatment. And secondary treatment is a natural treatment, that is the biological treatment. It uses the microbes, and these are the flocs, that is the masses of bacteria associated with fungal filaments to form the mesh like structures. So this is agitated mechanically, and air is pumped into the large aeration tanks. And after that, these microbes uses the oxygen available, that is, and it reduces the BOD, that this significantly reduces the BOD, that is biochemical oxygen demand. Biological chemical oxygen demand is not biochemical oxygen demand. And then BOD refers to the amount of the oxygen that would be consumed if all the organic matter in 1 liter of water were oxidized by bacteria, and then the and then the sewage rate of okay, the sewage water is treated till the BOD is reduced. The BOD measures the rate of uptake of oxygen by microorganisms in a sample of water, and thus indirectly BOD is the measure of the organic matter present in the water. So greater the BOD, more is its polluting potential. Now okay, that's all. Now the effluent from this aeration tank passes to the settling tank, where these bacterial flocs get sediment, and these sediments had two parts. The major parts gets into anaerobic sludge digester, and the smaller parts is used as the inoculum back into this aeration tank. This is the aeration tanks, and back into the aeration tank to start as a inoculum, a starter. Okay, to speed up this process. So a major part, anaerobic sludge digester, there are bacteria that works anaerobically, digest this all this content, and produces the gases, that is the methane, hydrogen sulfide, and carbon dioxide. Methane, hydrogen sulfide, these gases form the biogas, and these gases form the biogas. And so the effluent from the secondary treatment plant is generally released into the natural bodies like rivers and stream. The effluent from secondary treatment, that is the biological treatment, it is a secondary treatment.